Hundreds of passengers and motorists were stranded at the banks of River Kawalase as a result of flood waters caused by heavy rains. This Eldoret Express bus ferrying passengers from Kakuma to Lodwar was swept away with over 60 passengers on board. They were saved by fellow motorists.
Ilibidi tukae pale na tuanze kufanya nini? Kushukisha, manake hawangeweza kutokea hii mlango. Hii mlango ilikuwa imeziba. Watu wote mdogo na mkubwa walipita kwa dereva.
Another pickup from Uganda carrying 7 passengers was also swept away and saved by other passengers. No lives were lost. Truck drivers James Mwangi and Abdi Rizak Salat have been stranded at Kawalase Drift since Sunday afternoon, awaiting the floods to subside.
Iko madereva kitambo Languruza alifariki, watu kwa ndani wote. Karibu watu 8.
Tungependa serikali ijaribu kuangalia daraja ione vile inaweza kufanya. Afadhali ingeweka mitaro halafu ijenge juu ili maji hiyo iweze kufanya nini ikipita. At least iweze kupunguza ile msongamano wa safari. Sasa tangu jana mpaka saa hizi hatujaenda mpaka saa hizi.
The surging floods also meant that passengers could not head to work. Kenneth Kiptanui, who works for a road construction company, was one of them.
Sisi wengine kwa sasa hivi tusipoonekana kwa kazi tunahisi kama za leo tuandikiwi, because sasa hivi tunakaa tukiwa tunadunda roho takatwa pesa.
The Kawalase seasonal river has caused trouble to motorists for many years, with several losing their lives due to the government's failure in building a bridge. Pastoralists have also been casualties of the heavy floods that sweep away their animals. A public advisory has been released asking pastoralists to avoid grazing cattle along riverbeds. Property worth millions has also been destroyed at the same point. Motorists plying the Lodwar-Kitale highway have been cautioned against crossing flooded drifts as they are dangerous during the rainy season. Smriti Vidyarthi, NTV.